Good day, students. Today we are going to focus on how to sketch the single row pulley system, because you must be able to sketch the machine, and this is how it looks like in real life. So this machine has got 3 pulleys in the upper block and 3 pulleys in the lower block, but if you sketch, but with this version of the sketch, it does not show clearly. So this is the version of the sketch that we will use for us to sketch it if they are looking for it. Then we will be able to clearly see the number of pulleys, to see where is the rope attached, and to see how the rope goes around the pulleys. Your sketch must clearly show the number of pulleys, it must show where is the load lifted, it must show where is the effort applied. So these are the notes that will help you. You can always refer back to them in order to make sure that you understand how to sketch the machine. They will give you the number of pulleys. You just have to divide the number of pulleys for your blocks, as you have the upper block as well as the lower block. If they give you an even number of pulleys, meaning 2, 4, 6, 8 pulleys, you're going to divide your pulleys equally. You will have an equal number of pulleys in each block. So if your total number of pulleys is 4, you'll have 2 in the upper block and 2 in the lower block. Then you will attach the rope on the upper block, and then you start downwards like that. But I will show you how to sketch. Then if you have an odd number of pulleys, meaning 3, 5, 7, 9 pulleys, obviously you cannot divide it equally. There's going to be more, but you must now put more pulleys on the upper block and fewer pulleys on the lower block. So if you have 3 pulleys, you put 2 in the upper block and 1 in the lower block. If you have 5 pulleys, you put 3 in the upper block and 2 in the lower block. If you have 7 pulleys, you put 4 in the upper block and 3 in the lower block. And then you attach your rope on the lower block this time. Then you start from the lower block upwards. Then your effort will always pull down. Okay, now we are going to do the actual sketching. I'm going to show you what you will be expected to do as you sketch the machines. Okay, so as we said, if you have an even number of pulleys, 2 pulleys, 4 pulleys, 6 pulleys, you attach your rope on the upper block. So you attach your rope on the upper block, then you go around each pulley once, and you pull down with the effort. So this is the effort where you pull down the rope. Okay. You can go clockwise or you can go anti-clockwise. It doesn't make a difference. But the most important thing is you must go around each pulley once. Otherwise your pulley will get stuck. Okay. So this is now 4 pulleys. You have 2 on the upper block and 2 on the lower block. Then you attach your rope on the upper block. Then you go around each pulley once, around each pulley once, around each pulley once, around each pulley once. Then you pull down with your effort. You must always show where your effort is and where your load is lifted. Okay. Now let's look at the one when you have an odd number of pulleys. So as I said, you divide them in such a way that you have more pulleys on the upper block and fewer pulleys on the lower block. So this is 3 pulleys in total. You have 2 on the upper block and 1 on the lower block. So you attach your rope on the lower block. Then you go around each pulley once, around each pulley once, around each pulley once, around each pulley once, come down like that. So that is your effort where you pull down. So as I said, you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise, it doesn't matter, as long as you attach your rope correctly. Around each pulley once, around each pulley once, around each pulley once. Then your effort, your machine will be most effective when your effort is pulling down like that. Okay. So that is how they want you to sketch. Then they will allocate marks, they will check you have a correct number of pulleys, is your rope attached correctly, and it does go around the machine, the pulleys correctly, is your load showing, is your effort also showing. So that is how you sketch the machine. Thank you.